I'm the founder of SeekMed. It's a global telehealth platform that connects patients from around the world with India's highly awarded and accomplished doctors for expert opinion. Many patients in India and in developing countries in Asia and Africa, who are living in small cities and towns, it's always difficult to connect with expert doctors. And that's the gap that SeekMed tries to fill and make it easier for patient community to easily connect with those doctors to discuss their complex medical conditions. So early on in our journey, we were looking to build a minimum viable product that we could showcase to our stakeholders. So I came across Omega team and engaged them to build that MVP product, which was an Android mobile app, which I showcased to our stakeholders, our doctors. They liked the product. And subsequently, we engaged Omega team to transform that MVP product into a fully integrated telemedicine platform. What I mean by that is the platform now provides features around doctors and patient profiles, online appointments, video consultations, online payments, and electronic prescription. So that's what we include in our platform, and we have gone through several iterations, several stages of our development cycle, and also expanded from Android application to iOS application as well as web application. So now the platform is device agnostic. So the patient or the doctor could be using any device, and they can easily connect with each other to discuss their complex problems. So it started 4.5 years ago, early 2017, when I was looking for a company to build this MVP product. I was searching on clutch.com. I came across Omega's profile. I looked at the website, I looked at the portfolio, really liked some of the work that they have done. And when I connected with the Omega representative, I really liked the approach that the Omega team follows in terms of engaging with the potential clients. And then it's been going on for the last 4.5 years. Overall, a very satisfying journey. So the initial MVP product took about 3 months to develop. We launched it, put it on the Play Store, and that allowed us to start engaging our stakeholders, our doctors, some of the other partners to get their initial inputs and feedback. And the development process itself used an agile approach, multiple sprints, with clearly defined milestones and deliverables were identified, and that allowed us, SeekMed team, to test those features at every stage after every successful completion of the sprint. And that's how we gain confidence in the overall capacity of the Omega team to deliver the end product. And thanks again to Omega team for being a valuable partner, the entire technology team, the project manager, the designers and developers. And it's not just the development of the platform that they have assisted us with. They've also provided these design-related inputs. For example, we midway during our journey, they identified a significant gap in our brand identity, and they proposed to go with a new logo, a newly redesigned logo. I liked the idea, I liked the concept, and then decided to go with that. is still continuing with that logo, and I've received several positive feedback from our stakeholders about that new logo. So it's a comprehensive end-to-end look at deliverables, not just focus on development of our platform, but also the design, co-design aspects. So really appreciate the help and work. The most important thing that I like about Omega team is that they are not order takers. All I need to do is to bring my problem statement to them, the business requirement, and they never disappoint in terms of coming back with the right solution. They also present multiple options and recommendation. They do very thorough analysis. They do due diligence from their end. Look into those scenarios that sometimes even I tend to forget. So those are the things which I highly appreciate in a service provider. And it's like a truly trusted relationship. It's going beyond working like a typical vendor. I consider them as a true partner. They understand the business and they put in effort to understand why we are trying to do certain things. They fully understand where we are heading, what are the challenges that could be faced. And healthcare in general, whether it is related to India or Indian patients or African patients, it's something that people can easily relate to around the world. So that makes a few things easier to understand and share. But still, I like the effort that Omega team puts in. Not just the project manager that I deal with, who works as the primary point of contact, the point of liaison, but also the developers, the designers who work in the back end. Because ultimately, when I see the final product, it works for us, and it has never disappointed me. Yes, I would say definitely starting from the MVP deliverable, and then we went through multiple stages of our evolution of the platform. Very recently, we rolled out the integrated platform with one of the largest health insurance companies in India with 3 million subscribers. It's a big milestone for us. So with every successful stage, and with every iteration of new capabilities, new features that we've deployed, patient experience has gone up, and that has generated more confidence, not just in our relationship with Omega and the confidence that has gone up, but also in terms of our stakeholders, doctors and patients who use our platform on a daily basis. Their confidence level has gone up. So that's how we measure the success of this relationship and engagement, and that's why we have been continuing with our journey with Omega so far. Yeah, definitely. I plan to continue with this technology collaboration with Omega's team and to roll out new features, new digital capabilities in coming weeks and months. Our business processes may evolve, our business model may evolve, and it has definitely evolved over the last 4 years. We are constantly receiving feedback from our doctors, from our patients, from our other corporate partners. So I'm sure those will provide us opportunities to keep on expanding, keep on improving our platform, make it even more better for our patients. And I'm very confident that this relationship with Omega will allow us to reach those milestones that we have set out to achieve in coming months and years.